wild, every moment tells a breathtaking story, from heart-pounding chases between predator and prey to the bizarre survival strategies gifted by nature. Each scene reveals the wonders hidden in the animal kingdom. Join us on a dramatic journey where instinct, intelligence, and resilience come to life in every frame. A small but courageous cat stands face to face with a massive crocodile. Their eyes lock in a tense stare. The crocodile doesn't rush to attack, while the cat arches its back and lets out a low growl, completely unfazed. For a moment, a fierce clash seems inevitable, but then, unexpectedly, the crocodile turns and walks away. When two titans of the animal kingdom face off, tension rises instantly. Powerful swipes and fierce strikes echo through the dust-filled air. This is more than a battle of strength. It's a clash of skill and strategy, where only one can claim ultimate dominance. A fierce battle over prey rages between two leopards. Both are strong and cunning, attacking relentlessly with lightning-fast strikes. One leopard struggles to maintain its grip on the prey, while the other refuses to back down, determined to take it. Roars echo across the land, with neither backing down. In the end, only one emerges victorious, claiming the prize catch. A brutal battle unfolds between the crocodiles. Each one fights fiercely to claim the precious meal, charging at each other with sharp teeth and overwhelming strength. Powerful snaps and the screech of jaws clashing create an intense showdown. Only one crocodile will emerge victorious, claiming the coveted prey they all desire. In the dense jungle, a leopard silently stalks a wild boar, preparing for a sudden attack. The leopard moves quietly, hiding among the trees, locking in on its target. However, the boar is highly alert. Hearing a faint sound, it quickly turns and dashes away with lightning speed. Two wild boars suddenly charge at each other, creating a fierce battle. Powerful thrusts with sharp tusks as they strike. Neither boar backs down, each trying to gain the upper hand. This intense struggle not only demonstrates their strength, but also their defense of territory. The giraffe, with its powerful long legs, sprints at full speed to escape the pursuing leopard. Despite its best efforts, one of its legs gets stuck in the mud. The leopard swiftly closes in, not giving the giraffe a chance to flee. Although the giraffe struggles, the slow movement caused by the muck makes it an easy target for the quick and relentless predator. The two kangaroos charge at each other, starting an intense battle. Powerful punches from their strong hind legs, along with forceful kicks, are exchanged. Both kangaroos are determined to win, using strength and agility to attack their opponent. This battle not only showcases survival instincts, but also a fight to defend each one's territory. A sudden battle erupts between a rabbit and a snake. The rabbit swiftly hops back and forth, trying to avoid the snake's deadly strikes. Each time the snake lunges, the rabbit uses its speed to stay out of reach. On the vast plains, a lion silently attacks a zebra. The zebra, terrified, runs for his life, but the lion doesn't let up, relentlessly following every move of its prey. This life-or-death chase is not just a battle between strength and speed, but a harsh test of survival instincts. On the riverbank, the lion prepared to attack a massive hippopotamus. Though the hippo is a powerful creature, the lions are undeterred. They charge toward the hippo with lightning speed, aiming to seize an opportunity to strike. In the end, the hippo becomes the meal of the lions. The two chimpanzees charge at each other in a fierce struggle. Powerful punches and swift, forceful grabs make the surroundings tremble. Both chimpanzees strive to gain the upper hand, growling and swinging their arms in continuous combat. On the vast plains, a wild boar suddenly charges at a massive elephant. It charges, using its strength to strike at the elephant, even drawing the elephant's attention with powerful kicks. In the end, the wild boar successfully drives the elephant away from its territory, forcing the elephant to retreat.